ChatGPT coded us a crypto bot that automatically day trades while you sleep, and it made insane returns like this.
Stay until the end because we'll be revealing the exact same bot that went viral not once, twice, 3, but 4 times. So you're going to want to start by asking it something like this: Fibonacci retrace. In seconds, it's spitting out dozens of lines of code in real time. ChatGPT can literally save you hundreds of hours trying to code yourself. It's how we created the foundation for profitable trading strategies like this one on the Bitcoin hourly chart that resulted in 8,200% profit with 60% profitability, and this one here on the S&P 5-minute chart that resulted in almost 600% profit with 56% profitability. Now keep in mind, these are just back tests, and these absolutely do not indicate any sort of future result. So what we did was we took that code that ChatGPT gave us, and we actually handed it over to one of our developers here on the Algobuddy team, and they were able to create the Algobuddy AI Bot 2.0. Lucky for you, you don't have to go create your own strategy. We published the finished, updated, optimized AI bot right to our trading view. You can try this bot absolutely free for 7 days. If you want access, just click the link in our bio, and we'll see you on the inside.